Hey, good afternoon. This is Brad Langdon from MarineMax Lake Norman. We are going to show you the features and benefits of this 25-foot Harris cruiser pontoon today. Look up here, we got a 12-foot bimini top. Moving back, you've got an SL layout, which is a single helm chair, your L-shaped couch with a reversible seat back. You also have a tow bar back here, a 150 horse outboard. You have a storage unit back here. It's a big trunk area underneath. Stores a lot of components, fenders, dock lines, etc. Here you have a rear transom gate, good for keeping kids in. Storage underneath all the seats. Of course, everything drains overboard. Cup holders abound. Here on the dash we have a Bluetooth stereo. We have a charging port here, fuel gauge, speedometer, tachometer, digital depth, trim gauge. This particular model has a mechanical shift 150. Moving forward in the in-floor storage, it's a very vast area, very large with a self-contained pump. You have a small door to starboard, a larger door to port. You have storage underneath both forward settees, as well as a door in the front. That's basically your 25 Harris cruiser. Come visit us here at Lake Norman, MarineMax.